Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So see page number 143 of your textbook. The heading is given there, how much the chair weighs. What is the weight of the chair? That one we have to find. So the question is given here, Anamika wants to weigh this chair. The chair is given there using the weighing machine. So this one chair she want to measure and this is the weighing machine, right? Question is given there. Can you suggest the way for doing this? How can we help her? Let's see. So what we can do? We can just take the machine in this way. This is the rough drawing. This is our weighing machine. So we can take the weighing machine in this way, and on this weighing machine we can put a slab of the wooden, means एक लाकडानु पाटियु, we can keep that wooden slab here. After keeping this, just measure the weight of the wooden slab. Suppose it is, just said suppose it is 14 kg, right? 14 kg. What is this 14 kg? Weight of the wooden slab. Weight of wooden slab. That is 14 kg. After that, what you have to do? You have to just leave. Why I have put this slab here? Because it is not possible to put the chair on this machine, because the machine is smaller and the chair is bigger. So for that we have to put this slab on the machine. After that, what you have to do? Just you have to put the machine, put the chair on the slab. ये slab के ऊपर आपको क्या रखना है? Chair we have to put. Okay. So here is the chair. So chair we have to put. Now again you have to take the weight. Suppose the weight is here, that is 32 kg. 32 kg is the weight. What is the weight of the 32 kg? So slab plus chair is equal to 32 kg. But we want the weight of the chair. So what can we do? Just we will minus this 42 from this 14 from this 32, so you will get the answer. After doing this, I have got answer as a 18. So 18 kg is our answer. So what is the weight of the chair? That is 18 kg. So let's see what I have written. Put a flat wooden slab on the weighing machine on which chair can be kept easily and record its weight. Then put the chair on the slab and record the weight. The difference in the weight will give the weight of the chair. So this is the difference. What is this? Difference between the weight of the slab and weight of the chair. This is just an example. Suppose I have done, right? This is the suppose example to make you understand. Okay, now see downside. Broken chair. Same page 143. Abdul says firewood. He is Abdul. He sells firewood. What is meaning of firewood? यानी जो लकड़ियाँ हम लोग जलाते हैं उसे हम लोग firewood कहते हैं. There was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kg. He has a stone. You can see the stone here, and the total weight of this stone is 13 kg. He used it to weigh firewood. To weigh this firewood, you can see here he has kept the stone. So it is 13 kg. What happened one day? The stone fell down and it broke into the three parts. So one part is of 5 kg, 6 kg and 2 kg. Now what to do? So he has used an idea, because he is a smart person. So he has used an idea, and what he has done, that he used the three pieces to weigh the firewoods from 1 kg to 9 kg. अगर उसको 1 kg से 9 kg तक का कोई भी weighing करना हो, तो what he has done? He used the this weight 5 kg, 6 kg and 2 kg. So here what he has done, he want 1 kg. One example is given, उसको 1 kg firewood चाहिए था. So what he has done, one side he kept 5 kg, another side 6 kg. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 kg. So what he has done, you can see here 6 kg is here and 5 kg here. So this pan is downside and this is upside. So then he started keeping the firewood, and as soon as he started keeping the firewood, and when the both balance are same, at that time he comes to know that the firewood is of 1 kg. Okay. Now let's see second page 144. 144. Now what you have to do, he wants to weigh 4 kg of the firewood by using only these 3. And so what he will do, 4 kg he wants. So on the one side he keeps 6 kg, right? And this side 4 kg he wants. So this side he will keep first of all 2 kg weight, right? So here 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and then he start keeping the firewood here, right? First of all, what will happen? The 6 kg pan will go downside because it is heavier, and as soon as it is 4 kg, it will become same. So this is 2 kg plus this become 4 kg. This is 4 kg is equal to what will get 6 kg firewood. So from that you come to know that this is the 4 kg firewood. Okay, now he wants to weigh 3 kg. So for 3 kg, first of all he select 5 kg, right? Then he keep here 2 kg, right? So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and we want the 3 kg firewood. So then he started keeping the firewood here, and as soon as the balance will be get equal, he comes to know that it is the 3 kg of firewood. Understood? After that 7 kg. So for the 7 kg already we have the 2 stone. One stone is of 5 kg he will put here, and another stone of the 2 kg he will put here. So 5 plus 2, that is 7 kg. Now we have 7 kg, and he started to keep the firewoods of the 7 kg. Now it is also 7 kg. So the balance is equal, 7 and 7. So this is about the 144 page number. Now we will see in our next video 145 page number, post office. Students, I hope you understand today's session. Now we will meet in our next session. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.